So this is an OpenCV software that can enable you take pictures and record video with your system camera, just as you can actually do with a normal webcam app. So first of all, we're going to have compiled the code. We are going to see how it works. Then we'll go over the code one after the other. So okay, these are previous images I've taken. So I will delete them and also delete the video. So let's run the app. All right, you see, it has opened with my webcam. Let me position it so that I can see my face very well. Okay, so we can actually take pictures and record videos with the camera. So we have three keys working. So whenever I press C on my keyboard, it's going to take picture. That is, it will capture a picture. It will take the picture. Whenever I press S, it will start recording for video, and if I press B, the video recording will stop. And intermediately, when video recording is happening, I can take various pictures by pressing C. So I can actually press C now. So it has actually taken a picture. So you can actually see the picture. I can open the picture so that you see it. It's taking some time to load. There you go. So this was the picture it took right now. So I can take multiple pictures as it goes. I can take multiple pictures. Okay. So let me take another one. Okay. Now see all the pictures that I was able to take, and we can actually view each of them. Okay, so these are the pictures. So I can actually do video by pressing S. Whenever I press S, the video will start recording. So if I press S now, the video has started recording. So the video will be recording, and if I want the video to stop recording, I'll press B. And after recording, the file will be saved. So this is the video file. I can play it so that you can actually see that it actually recorded the video. So this is the video we just recorded right now. So I can close the video. Let me minimize it. All right, so this is just how this software works. So when you observe, you see that the software, the videos and pictures are being saved with exact dates and time. So which makes it unique that you can actually save multiple images and video at the same time. So let's close this software now. And let's go out to the program. Let's see how it works. So the software was written with C++, using the OpenCV framework for computer vision. So here all the necessary headers were being included. So when you go down to your main, so we open the video capture objects. So from the camera, checked if it opened. If it did not open, then the program will exit, but if it opened, the program will continue. Then from the while loop, which is an indefinite while loop, we're actually caching each frame from the video and putting them in a data type for holding images, which is a CVMAT data type. So you can actually do it this way or this way. So see this, so that you can actually read each frame coming from the video feed like this or like this. So I flipped the video using the flip function because the camera is facing me, so it's actually a front camera. So if I didn't flip it, it will just be doing the reverse. So, and these are where I captured every button being pressed by the keyboard have that have been stored here in this character W. So if I press Q, it will hit S to start recording, B to stop recording, and C to capture image. So let's go over what I did there one after the other. So Once you press X to start recording, it checks whether the video is recording first. If it's not recording, then it comes here, and first of all it gets the file name. So I want us to look at this line here for getting the file name for video, and the line for getting the file name for images. So it's the same function, but we'll pass a character v and I for images and v for video, so that when the file name at that file name function, it determines whether it's getting the file name for a video or getting the file name for an image. So let's see that function now. So this is the function, the get file name. This is the character. It picks the character. It reads the current time from the computer, and then look at how it gets the actual year, month, day, hour, minute, and seconds from the time it read from the computer. And look at where the actual file name is being formulated using the Apple string stream. So if what it got was V, it's going to use vid, but if it was I, it's going to use img. That is for video and image. And then the file extension, if it was V, it will end with .mp4, and if it was I, it will end with .jpg. So this is how the file name was gotten. So after that, we actually got the actual width and height of the frame, that is for the video. And then using the video writer object that we actually created here, this is the video writer object. So here we now open the object, pass the file name, and then tell it that it's for motion JPG, 10 frames per second, and then the size of each frame it should be saving. So once this is done, this flag is now being set for recording. So once it's done, it checks whether the video writer is open. If it is not open, it exits and then releases it, telling you that it is not open. But if it opens, it's going to set the recording flag to true. So when you come down here, if that flag is now true, that is when it now records each frame into that video, and then draws the sign, that is that red circle you saw. This is the small one that was filled, this is the bigger one, and then this is the text showing a record. You see, it does all these things after it have saved that frame into the video writer, so that those symbol will not join it in there. So included in the video description is GitHub link where you can get the program for this project. So you can actually make use of it or make reference to it for your further work. So thank you very much for having me. Have a blessed day.